Hi, my name's Andy from Modern Mobility, and today I'm going to show you around the K Lite FE folding scooter. This is an automatically folding scooter, which is good for stowing away and convenience. Just going to show you around it. So the armrest will fold back. You climb off the machine, like so, and there you have a remote. Press the button, fold the seat down, like so, and then you can just lift up and walk along with it like so. The battery itself can be removed, so you just press a button here at the back, that can be removed and charged indoors. This is lithium battery, so it's aircraft friendly. So for any information or a product demonstration, contact myself or any of our staff members at Modern Mobility at Blackburn, Clitheroe or Leicester, or you can alternatively go to our website www.modernmobility.co.uk. Thank you.